Ichiro Kishimi and Fumitake Koga's The Courage to be Disliked is a philosophical dialogue that delves into Adlerian psychology, emphasizing individual freedom and self-determination. The book unfolds as a Socratic conversation between a philosopher and a young man, exploring how to achieve happiness by addressing self-imposed limitations and societal expectations. Central to Adler's ideas is the notion that life is not inherently determined by past traumas, but shaped by our present choices and goals. The philosopher introduces the idea that interpersonal problems stem from our desire to seek approval from others, which leads to a life lie, a self-created narrative that justifies unhappiness or inaction. He advocates for separation of tasks, encouraging individuals to identify what responsibilities are genuinely theirs and relinquish control over others' opinions or actions. This approach fosters emotional independence and reduces anxiety. The book also emphasizes the importance of contributing to the community as a source of genuine fulfillment. Rather than pursuing superiority over others, individuals are urged to embrace equality and cooperation, creating meaning by contributing to the well-being of society. It challenges the pursuit of recognition or validation as a means of happiness, arguing that such goals lead to frustration and disappointment. A recurring theme is the rejection of deterministic views of personality shaped by past experiences. Adlerian psychology contends that people are not bound by their childhoods or external circumstances, but have the power to rewrite their narratives through intentional action. By embracing this freedom, individuals can overcome feelings of inferiority and take full responsibility for their lives. Ultimately, The Courage to be Disliked calls for embracing the discomfort of being disliked in exchange for authenticity and personal freedom. True happiness, the philosopher argues, comes from living in harmony with one's values rather than conforming to the expectations of others. This courageous act allows individuals to lead more meaningful and fulfilling lives. Life lessons from The Courage to be Disliked. Your past does not define your future. According to Adlerian psychology, your present life is not dictated by past traumas or experiences. Instead, your choices and goals in the here and now determine your path forward. Stop seeking approval from others. Happiness comes from living authentically rather than striving to meet others' expectations. Let go of the need for external validation and focus on what truly aligns with your values. Focus on what you can control. Practice the separation of tasks by discerning between what is your responsibility and what belongs to others. This reduces unnecessary stress and helps you live more freely. Contribute to the greater good. A meaningful life is built on contributing to the well-being of others. Shift from competing for superiority to fostering cooperation and connection. Embrace the courage to be disliked. Authenticity often means facing criticism or rejection. Have the courage to live according to your principles, even if it means being disliked by some.